Okay, yeah, it's right here doing a repairability test. This is the last name, the claim number 0795364306. Allstate agreed to pay to replace 20 shingles. We're trying to determine what shingles those are. So you have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You got 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got 19 and 20 here, but we've got more, so that's additional wind damaged. There's one of the ones that's included in the 20. We got an additional wind damage. So we're just trying to identify which shingles they want us to replace, and this is just on the back of the house. But they left off all the hail. So there was no hail on the roof. There's obviously hail that's hit this roof. You can see all the spots here. This storm was back on June of this year, 2025. See, you have damage on all the soft metal. Damage to this soft metal. Damage to the power vent. See the different hail spots. So what we have basically is on the back, just the back part of the roof, over 25 hail hits, 23 wind damage shingles, of which they're only willing to pay for 20 of them.